It's like when you put 3 of them together, you want to make some like it's a triangle, so they lean on each other. I'm showing on the angle right here. You can teal this one however you want. You can get them. You can get the pointed on the other side, or you can get this one and add some more crystals on. However you want. You can get this one turned the other way, like this. You see, I can turn it for you without messing it up. Right there, you know, right there, however you would like. And I'm gonna tuck it in just a little bit of couple of crystals. I'm not able to get this out from here. Right there. And the pointed back. And one more. You have a filler filling. I love it. And later, your precision glue gel will seal everything. Hold on, need the smaller one. Or if you don't have the beads that you want, I mean the crystal that you want, you can definitely using your super cute beads right there. It's feeling really well though. I kind of like the beads, so it will like separate your crystals as well. So now to secure this before you move on to the next one, too heavy. I'll put one more. Slide it in right there. Right there. So I'm gonna flash key it first, and then I am going to look at that. You just see that? The glitters underneath?
It popped nicely.
Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. Looks like butterflies right there. So awesome.
Yeah,
Okay. Cluster is one of your favorites. I know, I love that too. All right, so let me put this one back in. All right, Nix, hold on. Did I miss something from Nix? Say something?
I know, there was a chit chat.
Ah, okay. And this is the third one. I'm so obsessed with the 3. I don't know if I ever not like anything at all. I like all of them. It's created with all the love and support from all of you. This is a transcendent pack, and this is a rose gold. So this is all like your possibility you're getting on. Yes, you are going to get it on, but this is might be you get a different pack. You might not get the pack that I have. But all the 3 pack is selected and they're all compatible together. Hold on, let me see. Look at that, this one is glow in the dark too.
Yes, they're underneath.
Ah, I like it. They all glow in the dark underneath that I did.
So that's a new idea for you guys. Get that, encapsulate it, walk into the club, your whole thing is just lit up.
That's it, yeah. You will never lose me again. This is a cluster, so cute. You can leave it there and then good to go. You can leave it as it is, like this, and top coat it, and then all of this will glow for you. Or you can add it more. I should leave it alone. Should I? Do you think it's lonely though? It's just 3 of them?
That's plenty, because you're gonna glow everything else. When you have top coat and you have a glow on, it will be nice.
You know what? I can add the glow in the dark crystal on. You can't convince me if I'm not having any more. Maybe 3 more on. You think three crystal? Should I do just 3? 3 of them. I promise 3. Maybe 5 with beads. Okay. Just really little for all of you who is getting ideas that just in case your clients like us, your clients like Nancy, what do you mean like just 3? Can you add a couple more, just little 3 more? Then we know what to do. And they said, you ever have a client out showing up and send you a consultation picture with like really cute simple, and then when they come, the whole entire planet changed. They was like had double, triple of what they wanted. So I didn't know that you can do something like this. Or I didn't know that, because I will show all my clients the collection crystal that I have with different kits. So they say, okay, now you pick. Because you send me the picture, but I want you to pick the shape of centerpiece. So you get choice of pick how many centerpiece. I'll give it to them, the clients, and then you pick. And they say, oh my goodness, can I pick? I said, sure. Because when you consult the clients with the centerpiece, how many the designs that you let them like, all right, so now you can choose 10 centerpiece out from your collections from this, and then I'll do the rest. And so, okay, you see what I mean? They pick out, and then you can incorporate them together and put them together. I'm gonna do a yellow though. Matching. I said 3, right? So I'm gonna do 3. I would not let you disappointed. That's all 3. And the beads. Beads I do a couple on. Yes, you are right, Billy. They're like, I have a client that, okay, so that's what you would like, or that's all you want. I love them so much. Just appreciate the clients. They are like totally understand and said, Nancy, do you think we can add it on? I said, sure. Because I always, when I set the schedule for clients, I always give a little bit room, because I know all my clients always change their minds and want to add more, which is awesome, because they could add like at least of like $30 or $40 or $50 extra on their appointment. It's great, because then I get more money to buy more crystals. So look, it really looks like a tail though. I should add more. You know what? I think, you see how hard time that we are going to do it like only 3 crystals? You feel that we're having a hard time to do 3 crystal. But I will put a couple frames on it. That's right. I always book additional time for the clients, because if they don't change their minds, I have extra time to like go to the bathroom, get some quick snack or drink some water. So that way I can have energies and excitement to do a next client. So if they want additional crystals on, then I can able to add it on without stress about next clients is coming, you know. So that is how the way I doing it. But if you have any other suggestions, that is awesome. I would love to hear from you. Ta-da! Do you like it better? It don't feel like a lonely anymore. It looks like it's can get a little bit of a frame on it. Wipe off on the both edges and cure, flash cure quick. Look at that, it chalked under. How do you chalk? Good questions. Oh, good question, Pandora. It really depends. I love the question. Hi, Jasmine. Hello, how are you?